Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. In today's additional of the newspaper, daily newspaper on Friday, July the 3rd. The second Sudoku is a 2-star Sudoku, and before I start, as usual, I want to count the numbers, the digits, how many digits are in this puzzle. Alright, we have 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 4 is 7, plus 3 is 10, this is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 4 is 21, plus 2 is 23, plus 3 is 26. Alright, I expected that number because the previous one has 27 numbers and this has 26 numbers. Alright, so let's get started. I see, let me scan. Let me begin with the 6 in this row. A 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. And now, what number can I use? Let me see with the number 3. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 3. What a pity, what a pity, what a pity. How about these 3 numbers in the first column? Those missing numbers are the 2, the 5, and the 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 here. So no 2 and a 9 in that box. 1 digit left should be the 5. The 2 and the 9 are left. We have a 2 here in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. And then 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. And then, how about the number 8? How about the number here? Let me see. Alright. Alright. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9. Wow. Okay. Now it's getting tough. Yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about these 3 numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 2, need to wait. How about this number in this column for the number 4, I believe. 4 is missing. Yeah, 4 is missing. 3 boxes left in this big square. The numbers are the 4, the 8, and the 9. And look, we have a 9 here, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. The 4 and the 8 are left. 4 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Wait. 4 and 8. These 2 numbers in this row also 4 and 8. And look, we have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. And then these 2 numbers should be the number 7 and the 7 and the black 7 and 8. Yes, 8, 7 and 8. And we have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so in the middle column. The only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. What number now? Let me see. 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. 3, 5, and a 9. Yeah. How about the 4 in this row, 4 in the second row? So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4. No, I cannot because we need here also a 4. How about these two numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. 5 and the 9 need to wait. Oh, apologies. Need to position the camera. Focus. Yes. Okay. How about the 9, 3. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row. Those 2 numbers are the 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes there. 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. In the first row, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third row, we have a 9 over there. So in the second row, the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 number left in the second column for the number 5. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. I still cannot fill this yet. 1 and 5. Here also 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. That means this is a pair, 1 and 5. What are those 2 numbers then? 1 and 5. These 2 should be the 2 and the 8. 2 and the 8. Let me mark them. 2 and the 8. 2 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Still, those are 1 and a 5. This is so, yeah, 1 and a 5. Look, 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 numbers left, 1 and 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 now, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So that column, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. Oh, I still cannot fill the 9 here. Here we have also the 9. 9 and the 3. Here I need to wait. 9. How about these 3 numbers? 2 is missing, 4 is missing, 2 and 4, because we have a 2 and 4 here. I marked them 2 and 4. So what number is this then in this big square? The number 8. Yes, 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. I believe those 2 numbers are also a 9. 9 here, 9 there. So those 2 must be a 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. One number left in this big square for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4. This should be a 2. This should be the 4. We have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2. This should be an 8. And this should be a 2. Finish in 15 minutes again. Alright. Great Sudoku. Same like the previous one. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 3 stars. So see you later, and bye bye for now.